Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Let's get straight into today's video. Today we are going to be making hair shampoo using neem powder, fenugreek seeds, chebe powder, essential oils, and much more. So as usual, all the measurements will be in the description box, so feel free to check that out. We start by putting everything into our mason jar, then add distilled water. After we add distilled water, we are going to let it sit for a while. So if you have time, you could let it sit overnight, 2 days, 3 days. But for the sake of today's video, I am only going to let it sit for 8 hours. So if you're not new to the channel, you already know the benefits of chebe and fenugreek. So neem powder is also very good for growing thicker, healthier hair. So let's just keep that in mind. This is what this mixture looked like after 8 hours. So I am going to go ahead and strain it with my cheesecloth. Something else we should all keep in mind is that this entire process requires a bit of patience, and you can also tweak this to however you want. So if you want the shampoo to be thicker, I would advise not to use, you should use little or no water. But if you don't mind it being a little watery but at the same time foamy, you should go ahead and use some distilled water. You can also choose to add some emulsifying wax in order to bind the oil and the water together, and in return making the entire mixture a little more creamy and foamy. So this is what the mixture looks like after straining it. I am now going to go ahead and add my Dr. Bronner's soap. You guys can choose to add whatever type of shampoo or soap that you want. Then I went in with water. So I did a little too much water. When I was pouring it, I don't even know where my mind was, but it still came out the way it's supposed to. Then I went in with my vegetable glycerine oil, then my vitamin E oil, and of course, peppermint oil. So this part is totally optional. You can decide to add peppermint oil or any essential oil of your choice. If you are allergic to peppermint oil, please do not add it. Okay, so now the final step is to transfer this mixture to your shampoo bottle, and that's what we did, and this is the final product. Thank you guys for coming back to watch. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.